Hello, welcome to the video. We're going to be doing a quick 10-minute or less makeup because I have makeup to do. We're going to be doing makeup and I hope you enjoy the makeup. Okay? Okay. Enjoy. We're going to start with sunscreen. We like to protect our skin, right? I hope you are agreeing, because if you're not agreeing, I need you to leave and come back when you do agree that protecting our skin is what we're gonna do. Okay? Especially the parts like here that get a lot of sun. This stupid bath cut and after effects and skin cancer. It's just a growth. Okay? That's not actually skin cancer there. It's a growth. But there used to be skin cancer there. Because I didn't wear enough sunscreen. My lips are like dying today. So, yeah. Awesome sauce. Now my lips are gonna feel better. My skin is gonna be protected. You know, we're on a roll here. We're on a roll. Now, makeup time. My eyebrows are gonna look great. I have a feeling most people don't like how I do my eyebrows, but I like them. So, you know, hey, that's awesome. But I just literally just left them out as much as they'll go, basically. Beautiful. Beautiful. Awesome sauce. I'm kind of running out of this, but I'm just pretending I'm not. Like, I've literally been out, basically, for, like, ever, but it still works, kind of. I have concealer now. And I'm only going to put the concealer in, like, places like this. There. And then like that. Very specific places. Beautiful. Awesome. Beautiful. I'm excited for this blush. Like, hello. Adorable. Oh, crap. There we go. I forgot I wet the beauty blender. It scared me. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, that's good. Very nice and light. Can't forget my nose. Oh. It always falls out of the thing. Okay. I'm trying to like bring it back to life. Ugh. I think it worked. Yes. Cute. Pretty. Ugh. I just have to keep wetting it for it to work. Awesome sauce. Beautiful. Whoa. Very bright. And last but not least, with this. Ta-da! And that is the look. Thank you for watching. It's very simple, very cute. If you want to know where to get these, and by the way, it didn't work well because I actually dried it out. It works really well if you don't accidentally not put the lid on correctly until it clicks. Like that. I keep forgetting to put it on until it clicks. And so like dried out. Which is really annoying, but if you want to know where to get these, I'll put the info down below. So yeah. And I have a code you can use, which will pop up on the screen. So yeah. Because I love these, like, they're so cute and easy to use when they're not dried out. And I'm thankful that you are watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, or night, or time zone. And if you cannot have a good day, there's always tomorrow.
I live inside my own world of make